Howdy people, and welcome back to my channel. So today is all about magnetic lashes. So I'm testing out the Ardell Magnetic Lashes. This is the double demi wispies, which is a full set. They also have half sets like accent lashes. I don't have those. So I have been testing these off camera for about 2 weeks now. I've probably used them like 4 or 5 different times. So Walmart.com is the cheapest place to find these. They're about $11.88 on Walmart and about, I think, like $13.99 on ULTA, so Walmart is always a way to go, and I will have these linked below. So you do have an upper and an under, so obviously one goes on top, one goes on the bottom underneath your lashes, and that's how they magnetize. Duh. So here's what they look like. So as you can see, they get longer going outwards and they're smaller on the inner corner. So I just feel like that makes it look very like cat eye-ish. So I feel like it doesn't matter how many times I sit and play around with these. I feel like these are something that I would never master. My biggest problem is that when I place the upper ones on top, like when I go in with the under ones, it just moves them around. They want to like stick up. They don't want to stay on my actual skin. Like they want to just attach the lashes themselves, if that makes any sense. So that's the issue that I've encountered, and I just feel like the accents probably would be a lot better because it's not as long of a strip. These are full strips, so maybe that's why. Maybe I just need to do that. These are very thick. When you put them together, here's what they look like stacked on top of each other. They're very, very thick and very full. It looks like a double strip to me. I'm gonna try it with my finger first and then go in with the tweezer because I feel like that's the next alternative. So I'm gonna sit this on as close to the lashes as I can possibly get. So like that, it looks pretty good. And try not to blink. But here's the under ones. Oh, see, like they want to stick. Okay, so I've still got that top one on, which is pretty much perfectly sitting on top. See, it's like the magnets are so strong, which is a good thing because that means they'll stay on. But the magnets are so strong that it pulls them off of the lash, like off of where they should be. So there's that. Going in with the bottom ones. Go. See, this is the problem that I have. This could be so pretty if it actually worked. The bottom ones want to pull the top ones off. So I'm gonna try to do this again. But I'm really gonna try and make these work in this video. I'm trying really, really hard. There's something sticky on it. Like there's still got some kind of glue. Is it mascara? I don't know what it is. But it's really hard to get these. Okay, what's sticking? What is the deal? Honestly, I haven't seen one successful video using these. I've seen like successful videos with the accents, but not the full strip. Because they don't want to stick. If you can get this to work, or if you've seen someone get these to work, please point me in their direction. Really? So I've lost which one should go underneath, but wait, isn't the magnet gonna get stuck to the tweezer? Yes. Okay, so there goes that plan. Let's try to just pick them up by the actual lash. Okay, we're gonna try the finger again. The finger, as if it's a super technical tool. Okay, why is it sticking to my, it's like the magnet is magnetizing to my finger. Do I have some kind of like metal in here or something? Okay, so let's kind of like press it down. See, it wants to move up the lash. It doesn't want to stay put on my skin. So I'm going to boop. Okay, perfect. The top is really easy to do. It's the bottom that's freaking horrible. And even if these could work, like even if I could get them to work, it's so heavy. Like it obstructs my vision. And these are curved, so they do like fit the curve of your eye very well. Which doesn't matter if they won't stay on. We're gonna move on to the other side because this side's really pissing me off. So how do you do this? Okay, so this is the side that I just cannot figure out. Like, how do you use your left hand? If I go over with my right hand, I can't see what I'm doing. And then my left, okay, so there's that. I've got flakes all over my freaking face. Ow, okay, take it off. Okay, I'm trying to hold down the top lash. And, my hand's in the way, my fingers are in the way. Okay, yeah, this side I'm giving up on. Let's go back to the right side and see if we can figure that one out, because at least we'll have one good lash on one side. Okay, can we just like attach without pulling at the lash? Can you see that? Can you see it sticking off my face? So I feel like these are a good idea in theory, and I feel like if anyone's gonna do them right, it's gonna be Ardell, because they're known for their lashes, but they didn't do it with the full strips. So I feel like there just needs to be a lot of work done to improve this kind of idea. I feel like it really would help people like me who like the look of false lashes but can't apply them, because this would be so much faster and so much, like, it would be so hassle-free if these would actually work. So if you guys want to see me try the accent ones, let me know, because I feel like I would have success with those. Everyone else seems to really like those. But these, like, I've tried, I just sat here and tried to put them on like 12 different times, and I, you know, on top of the other 4 or 5 times that I've sat down to play with these, I can't get them to work. I really want to, but the problem is it's just a theory. No one can figure out how to make it actually work. So thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I have a little button right down there in the corner of the video. You click that and it's magical. Your life will automatically get so much better. Thumbs up if you enjoyed this video despite the lack of success, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah.